Bitcoin up big today, couple of percent, which means that we're starting to get thousands of dollars in single 24-hour movements. Compared to other assets, Bitcoin is dominating, up $3,000, up even more now, almost at $67,000. That's how fast this is moving. We screenshotted this about an hour ago to put it in here. If we then go and we start to look at the actual underlying comparison of the ROI of Bitcoin, what you find is that Bitcoin is up 433% over the last 12 months. Gold is down 7%. They have printed trillions and trillions of dollars. They've manipulated interest rates lower. And the entire financial world has dropped gold and chosen Bitcoin to be the inflation hedge asset. And that's where you see that 433% increase over the last 12 months.
All right, there are two reasons the number 67 is an important number. First, it was the year 1967 that Pontiac introduced its very popular Firebird. And then there is the fact that 67,000 is the number that Bitcoin almost hit this morning. It's trading at all-time highs.
How is that Bitcoin dominance? We're looking at 47% there. I don't know. I think if I zoom in, it kind of shrinks away. But yeah, 47%. Bitcoin currently $65,000. When you look at that, we're knocking on that 6-6 door. So it's looking good. And we're only up 2%. And we're at 65,800. It's looking good.
Bitcoin broke through the $64,000 record it arrived at in April and continued to trade up after breaking the record. The coin at its highs passed the $66,900 level Wednesday, topping a previous intraday record of $64,899 set in mid-April. It comes after a remarkable recovery that saw it crash below $30,000 in July. Welcome to Crypto Revolution. Today we'll dive into what Bitcoin's new record high price means for its future. According to Jesse Proudman, CEO of crypto robo-advisor Makara, the key here is whether we are able to establish support above $65,000. If we can, the classic Q4 crypto rallies we've seen in most years could take Bitcoin towards some of the loftier price predictions we've seen over the past several months. With Bitcoin achieving such a milestone, it comes with questions of whether one should book profits or make incremental investments or just sit tight. Watch till the end of the video to know what Around the Blockchain hosts think about this massive achievement and whether or not this leads to positive returns or it leads to Bitcoin's crash.
Now, let's talk about some Bitcoin. Wendy, I'm going to take it to you because we need your expertise here. Bitcoin all-time highs. Let's check the screen. Well, nope, I took it down. Coin market cap. Let's see. Where are we sitting at right now? We are at, look at that. Look at that. If we bring it up, we just passed 66,000 on CoinMarketCap. So we're looking good. Smash that like to keep it above. Oh, you didn't hit it. You didn't hit the like button. It just dropped to 65,980. That is your fault for not hitting it fast enough, but it's okay because you can also go in the description and sub to everyone's channel here, and then that'll make up for it. It'll go above 66,000. But Wendy, we just have, all-time highs. We broke through resistance. We beat that April peak. We're the final boss is beaten, as they say. But what are the charts telling you? What are the Fibonacci retracements telling you? What are the next scary levels that, I know, and I'm not trying to be funny here or anything. It's just how crypto is. 69 and 420. People always put buy orders. People always put sell orders. Is it 69,000 or is there something before that? What's the charts telling you for the danger zone?
I'm actually more concerned with 75,000 from here, and then I want to say about $81,000, because if you pull the fibs up and you look, I like to put a middle area, and let me share my screen so y'all can see really quick. But I like to put my middle area in between. I like to draw a part in between the fibs, and the reason why is because it helps me not get super excited. So if you just go ahead and draw your regular Fibonacci extensions or retracements, however you want to draw them, it doesn't matter, it's all symmetric. But realistically, we have a middle area in between the 1 and the 1.272 areas. I think it's important to be conservative here, especially because we're in price discovery. We do have to understand that Bitcoin is not traded as like an altcoin. A lot of altcoins go parabolic. They absolutely go to the moon. They'll pump like 100 times. Bitcoin doesn't trade like that though. So I still do think dollar cost averaging is the way. I still am concerned with, price movement, but I think that we should kind of pay attention and look at things level by level and then pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing. And if you can do that successfully, you'll be able to play NFTs and altcoins. And as Elio was saying, there's a new flow of money now between altcoins and NFTs, etc. But when it comes to Bitcoin, it's almost like I want to try and time this to when money is going to be leaving Bitcoin. It'll go into altcoins or NFTs, etc. And the key areas for me with Bitcoin are going to be $75,000, approximately $81,000. And if we can get really above $81,000, I think we should be able to potentially see $100,000. I just don't know if it's going to be this year or not in 2020.
Real quick, I just realized some people, this may be the first time they're watching a crypto show. Bitcoin super high. They click, they type in BitBoy, they type in Bitcoin, we pop up. We get excited for price discovery. Some people might not know what that means. Can you just give like a real quick explanation of price discovery?
Yes, so price discovery is when you're able to successfully close and break above the all-time high. So in this case, we're talking about Bitcoin being at approximately $65,000. And since we've been able to successfully surpass $65,000, that would constitute of being in price discovery. However, we do need to see a nice candle close above that swing wick high that I want to say was April 14th, if I'm correct. And that's when price discovery is when you have no support and resistance, when it's just a big black screen and it's like, kind of feels like you're in outer space. You literally feel like you're going to the moon. But price discovery is also very dangerous too, because we can have a lot of sharp pullbacks, we can have a lot of volatility that occurs in the market. But right now with Bitcoin, I don't necessarily know if we're going to experience that. When we broke above all-time high because of the futures ETF that was announced, we didn't break above it right then and there. Generally, we see Bitcoin pull this big green candle up, it shoots right above, and it's beautiful. We didn't see that. We saw some nice consolidation in the $60,000 area. So this price discovery move is a little bit nicer, and I feel like it could be a little bit more sustainable than what we've seen in the past.
All right.
What do you think about what Wendy of Crypto Wendy O had to say about Bitcoin's all-time high? And what do you think about what she had to say about the dangers of price discovery? The possibilities of having a lot of sharp pullbacks and volatility that occurs in the market? Do you think this could possibly be the danger zone of Bitcoin's latest all-time high movement? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, do give it a like and do subscribe to the channel so we can always keep you updated on all things crypto. That is it for today's video. Till the next video, this is Crypto Revolution.